How do you know you have a loose vagina? Watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're highly welcome. I make content about medical, fashion and lifestyle, and today is medical, and the topic is loose vagina and how to tighten up. People be like, the vagina is loose, trying to body shame each other and all. But it's not actually possible to have a loose vagina. Yes, you heard that clearly and loudly. It is not possible to have a loose vagina. Vagina are elastic. They're meant to stretch to accommodate things like sex toy, penis, and baby. But the vagina may change and slightly loose as a result of age and childbirth. And if you're experiencing this after childbirth or as a result of age, here is a simple exercise to help you tightening up your vagina. It is called Kegel exercise. And this will help to tightening up the muscles around your pelvic. And here is how to do it. Remember, this can be done in any position, sitting, standing, or lying down. Yes. But as you build strength, if you can hold for at least 5 seconds, and you can do this in a row, 5 times in a row, right? You can increase to 10 seconds. Hold this contraction for 10 seconds, relaxing for another 5 seconds. And you can do this as many as you can in a day. Focus on your pelvic muscles. Do not try to squeeze or tighten up your thighs, your abs, or your butt. Only focus on your pelvic muscles. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, drop your comments below, like, share. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you.